Add friends in Subway Surfer. Today, in this video, I will show you how to add friends in Subway Surfer. It's super quick and easy. Let's open our Subway Surfer application. On the home screen, tap onto the friends icon. It looks like two little characters standing together. To add friends, you will need to connect your game to Facebook, Apple, Game Center, or Google Play. Just tap to link your account. To link your account, you have to tap onto the gear icon from the top right corner. You can connect it from Game Center or Facebook. Also, you can sign in with Apple. Once you are connected, the game will automatically show your friends who are already playing. You can also send invitation or add people from your character list or contact list. And that's it. Now you can compete on leadership board, send gifts and have fun chasing score together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.